Hi, this is Sarah Janvekar. I am currently a data analytics intern at GNCIPL, and in this video, I will be walking you through the project I have worked on during my internship week 1. The first project of week 1 is customer segmentation, where I used Python and EDA techniques to analyze customer data and cluster them into meaningful segments. So, step 1, we have first imported the necessary Python libraries. Pandas is used for data manipulation and analysis. Matplotlib and Seaborn are used for visualizations. K-mean from sklearn.cluster is used for performing k-means clustering, which helps us segment customers based on their features. Then we have loaded the data set from of mallcustomers.csv into a pandas data frame called data, and we have printed the data.head that shows the first 5 rows to give an overview of the data. The data information provides information about the data set, such as column names, data types, and missing values, that is the non-null count. Then we have done the data pre-processing, where we have done feature selection. For clustering, we select features, annual income, and spending score, as these are numeric and relevant for customer segmentation. These features are stored in a variable X. Next, we have used the elbow method that helps us determine the optimal number of clusters. We run k-means for cluster numbers from 1 to 10 and calculate the within cluster sum of squares. WCSS measures the sum of square distances between each point and its cluster center. We then plot the WCSS versus number of clusters. The elbow point, the elbow point in the graph indicates the optimal number of clusters. Next, in step 5, we have applied k-means clustering with the chosen number of clusters. Based on the elbow method, we choose 5 clusters. We apply k-means clustering and store the cluster labels in a new column, cluster, in the data frame. Next, we have visualized the customer segments. We used a scatter plot to visualize the clusters. Annual income is plotted on the x-axis and spending score on the y-axis. Points are colored by their cluster label using the U cluster. U is equals to cluster parameter. This gives a clear visual of the customer segments. Next, we have analyzed the clusters. Here we have done cluster analysis by calculating the mean annual income and spending score for each cluster. This helps us understanding the characteristics of each segment, such as high income, high spending customers or low income, low spending customers. The insights can be seen as the customer segmentation can be categorized as into 4 parts as premium customers that have high income, high spending. Second, carefree shoppers that have low income, high spending. Third, cautious customers, which have high income but low spending. And then fourth one is the budget customers who have low income and low spending. These clusters can be targeted in marketing strategies. Thank you.